Hey, David Lindsay here. David Skywatch, Central Florida. Three days before the hurricane's supposed to hit, they just upgraded it to a Category 4. It's supposed to have sustained winds of 130. Somewhere out in the Atlantic heading towards my house right now. Which is, I have to say, a little unnerving, but this is not my first rodeo here. Even though I am a transplant. I was not born here, I just moved here. And I gotta tell you, there's that red thing that seems to follow the sun around. See it? If I could get my finger out here and show it. There it is. See that little red thing? What is that? What's that? Has something to do with the sun or solar shield or a fake sun or who knows, right? And look how big that black cloud is. All kinds of stuff going on. Got some bubble clouds going on over here. This is because the energy is bubbling up. I'm just worried about that. These chemicals and then that storm coming and you just never know what's going on up there. And check these clouds up. They're all bubbly. That's from energy up there. Complete with a duck. Hey, duck. So, yeah, I got upgraded to Category 4. They say it's slowing down, gaining strength. But I went through Irma, I think it was called, 2 years ago. And it directly went right over my house, the eye of the hurricane. And it was a Category 5 when it slammed into Florida, the foot of Florida. And traveled all the way up the center of Florida. So I will keep you informed. Countdown started. Peace out.